Yo! You're thinking about renovating your bathroom. Wow, listen to the echo in here. Ah! We are talking about renovating your bathroom, but you may feel a little intimidated. I don't know where to start, what to do. Well, I'm gonna break down 3 great tips. They're gonna help you de-stress when you're renovating your bathroom. First point is color. I don't want you to be afraid of color. Think about it in your design process. Whether it's dark and moody and sexy colors, or it's earth tones and you're chilled out, or bright and fun like we did in this primary suite bathroom, choose color. So think about your paints when you're thinking about trims or vanities or tiles. In this particular case, we had these Hermes color tiles, which I love, and we pulled out the color Pumpkin Spice 126 for the ceiling by Benjamin Moore. And I love Benjamin Moore, by the way, because they color awesome. So their colors pop, they last forever, they coat well, my painters love it, and they can pull out custom colors when I'm doing something. So Benjamin Moore is definitely the way to go for me, for sure, on the construction and the design side. So my client loves color, and I love color as well, so don't think I don't, but a little more muted. But my job as a designer and a builder is to connect with my client and really pull out those pieces of their personality. So when you walk in the front door, you see them, not me. I don't live here, right? So I need to see them. I want her or him to walk into this bathroom and go, wow, so cool, I love it, it's so me. So the oranges are a reflection of my client in this particular case, but a little more toned down and kind of chic, fun, cool vibe. We brought the color also into the fixtures, vanity, shower stall, it's everywhere in here. Tip number 2 are tile layouts. So check out what we did here. You can get a really custom look in your bathroom or even kitchen or wherever you're doing tile just by the arrangement of the tiles. So we took this brick tile, we did it in a brick style layout, and we inlaid it in the other tile. So this is a porcelain, this is a ceramic. We cut all of this in and we laid it so it's all flush. So the brick is actually looks kind of like it's coming out of the marble looking porcelain tile. Super way to get a custom look, and it didn't really cost you any more money to do. Just the thought process of laying it out. So tile layouts, definitely a tip you should be using in your bathroom renovation. Tip number 3, material finishes in your bathrooms. So guys, we're in a wet space. And what does that mean? Your kitchens and your bathrooms are wet spaces. They can get moisture behind the walls because there's a lot of moisture going on here. We want to make sure that doesn't happen, right? So no drama. And one of the reasons we do floor to ceiling tile is to really seal in the walls. It's not just to look gorgeous, but it really does protect the walls from moisture. So in this particular case, I want you to think about in your walls, I want you to use porcelain or quartz, but pretty much porcelain is the thinner version, and it's definitely stain-proof, scratch-proof, super durable, and it doesn't absorb anything. So really, really hypoallergenic, no germs. And then on your countertops or floor surfaces, I definitely love quartz. Reason I love quartz, it is durable, doesn't stain, it's cost effective, and it comes in really nice thick pieces, and you can do the integrated sinks. Like this sink and top are one piece, no stains. You know how we have hair products and we're thinking, oh, the makeup or the gels or the toothpaste is going to discolor my countertop? Not gonna happen in quartz. Quartz on your bathtub is a great idea as well. So think about the top area of your bathtub and the skirt if you have. Great for making it one piece on top, no staining. Think of all the products again you put on here, right? You don't want to stain it. You want it to be easy, super durable to clean, no scratching, super affordable. So remember, 3 tips. Number 1, color. Don't be afraid of it. 2, tile layouts. That'll really make it look custom. And 3, material finishes. Durability is important, guys. I'm out of here.